Hey, what up you guys? So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these crepe paper rosettes, and they're pretty simple and easy. Just practice makes perfect. So if you guys want to check out how I created these, just keep on watching. So all you're going to need are some crepe paper, and I have some teal and pink, a pair of scissors, and a staple gun. What? Not a staple gun, guys. A stapler. Okay, so it's pretty early in the morning, so I think I need more coffee. Alright, let's just get started. I got this teal one from Party City, you guys. 99 cents. I picked up two. I'm going to show you how to make these as well. They're not my favorite to make, but I'm going to show you those, and then I'll show you how to make these. Like I said, they're not perfect. I'm not sure if I said that. They're like different sizes, but they're handmade. A machine did not make them. So let's get started. I'm going to use my teal just because I haven't, this is my first time using it, so I want to build my stash a little. I just pull a little bit to, you know, have some slack. And then what I'm going to do is, I find tutorials so hard, you guys. What you're going to do is you're going to fold, as you can see there, fold over. Katzel Create, she actually has a tutorial, and she uses her nail. So like half of her nail she folds in. Half of her nail she folds in. When I started doing these, I was just doing them. So you're going to fold, and then you're going to never let it go. Never let it go. And just keep rotating it as you fold. Rotate. Fold. Rotate. And keep going. But like I said, never let this go. Always pinch it with your thumb and your middle finger. And fold, pinch, and just keep going until you go all the way around. And sometimes I like to just go like that to flatten it out some. And then that's why I don't cut it, because I don't know how much I'm going to need. So when you're up to here, as you can see right there, you're going to cut. You can always cut more, and then you can always cut later on. So then you're going to, I like to fold it. Okay. Fold it, and then I do like to push this inside, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to take my tiny attacher. You could use any stapler. You do not need a tiny attacher. This is just the only stapler I have. And then staple two in the center. If you have a regular stapler, then probably you just need one staple. As you can see, it's not perfect. And if you want to like touch it up, the trick is, I think, is to leave your scissors on one side and just rotate the rosette. Like, as you can see there, if that makes sense. Like, you know what I mean? Look at that. I jacked it up. That's fine. Just, and then whatever, any edges, any ends you want to fix. If it looks too oval or something, you could just always fix it. But I try not to cut too much, because then, I don't know, I feel like it gets wonky, gets crooked. So that's how you create your rosette. And if you guys want to see how I create the smaller ones, I'll show you right now with this one. I don't know how much you're going to need, but I like to cut more than what I need. Okay. And then you're going to take your crepe paper, fold it in half again, then again, then again. Try to just do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off, not directly in the center, just a little bit higher, if that makes sense. I don't know, you guys. Like this. And just cut one. And then you have this piece. And then, oh, I hate doing these. They never come out the way I like them. And then you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to fold and hold on to it. Don't let it go. keep going. You have to rotate it as you go, so you can get that circle shape. Right? Keep going. Like I said, these are not my favorite to make, but they're cute to add on projects. You see how that, like, okay. And once you get up to there, I like to just snip a little bit, fold, and then tuck if you can. And then don't worry about the center. You can always cover that up. I'm gonna add 2 there. You see how it's like not perfect, but that's fine. Like I said, if you need, just trim it a little bit, but just rotate your rosette so you get that circle shape and not so much wonkiness. Alright, you guys, so that's how you create rosettes using crepe paper. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Leave me some comments down below. I'm going to try to make a paper rosette tutorial next. So stay tuned for that, and excuse my ugly nails, you guys. Alright guys, bye.